No chemical, no preservative, and you can store this 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 6 month, and it is very delicious homemade jam. So let's see the recipe and enjoy delicious homemade jam. So we need 3 lemon, and lemon should be like this size, 3-piece lemon, and 2 big malta like this size. And if you want weight, it is 460 gram something, but this size like this, takriban 150 gram lemon, 1 piece. So what we need is apricot 2 kg, 3 medium sized lemon, and 2 big malta. Clean all your apricots.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications of our new video upload.
Like this, clean all your apricots. Не кисло-сладко?
Нет. И медотик. Косточку. Кипятской. Вот. Эту косточку. Очень прямо.
Blender. Now you need blender.
Если крупные попадутся, я их снова.
Вот, this like this. You need to mix this. What like this? Like this you need to mix first. Mix all how much you have. Shift in other pot. So mixing is done. Now we will move to next step. Mix very well. Now we will add sugar, but sugar you can add as per your taste. How much sweet do you want? If you like too much sweets, and children's mostly like much sweet, so you can add approximately 2 kg sugar. But if you like less sweet, then you can add 1 kg or 1.5 kg sugar. Now you need to mix sugar very good, and you no need to boil this. Just remember, it's staying here, but this gas is not working. Look, you no need to boil this. Just add the sugar because it's staying here on gas, so you can confuse that we are cooking this. No, this is not cooking. See that there is no flame. Okay, so you just add the sugar and mix very well. Okay, now to store this, take some small size containers because we will store this in frozen. So use the container which you take out from the frozen and use in one time, like 2, 3, 4, 5 days, and you can store this 2 months, 3 months, 4 months in frozen without any problem. Now like this, store in containers, small containers. When you will take from frozen, like this small container, it is comfortable because you can use this in frozen. You will store this for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months without any problem. And for daily use, you can keep in fridge where only 5 degrees and 6 degrees temperature. But this we need to store in frozen side. So without any chemical and without any preservative, this homemade delicious jam is ready. Make this jam and use every day. It is very delicious and there is no chemical, you are sure, because you made it by yourself. So enjoy the jam, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. Take care. Tasvidani.